Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Stone Age Fuel Culture of Care. They're looking for a social media influencer. It pays up to $40 per hour. We are seeking a highly motivated social media influencer, spokesperson, or user-generated content creator to create ads and organic content. We have been in business for over 5 years and have a solid foundation for you to grow from. This is a remote position and can be done from anywhere in the world. All we need you to do is shoot the videos and we'll handle the rest. This can be a full-time or part-time position. We are looking for someone who is bursting with positive energy and motivated to grow with us. Full job description. The social influencer or content creator is responsible for creating content our brand can use for ads and or organic on different social platforms. We are looking for someone great on camera, loves creating content, and can do this daily. Your content will be used on our pages or a new account we make for you. We won't need you to post the content on your accounts. This is in Spanish, but it's the same gist of what we will want in English. What you'll do, create ads and organic content for the brand to use on social platforms. Work closely with the social media manager to create good content. We will supply you scripts and videos to go off of to post on TikTok, YT, and IG. What you'll bring, -3 minutes 5 years of experience in social media marketing and or social media community. You have previously developed content for and helped grow the social media presence of a brand, company. You are a social media trend spotter who is in tune with current events. You take pride in being the voice of your brand. You are a self-starter and creative problem solver. You bring a positive attitude to any challenge. You are passionate about creating content. You are a creative writer and storyteller by nature. You have a mastery of grammar and tone. You can independently design, execute, and maintain ROI-focused social campaigns. Salary will vary based on part-time, full-time, and experience level. Please submit your info and we will reach out and discuss if we feel you'll be a fit. We will pay per video or put you on a salary. Job types: full-time, contract, part-time, temporary. Pay up to $40 per hour. Experience: marketing, 1 year preferred. Work location: remote. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.